Alright, so what do we got here? A blank terminal. Let's do for loops. So the second part, let's see. JavaScripting for loops, exercise 10 of 19. For loops allow you to repeatedly run a block of code a certain number of times. This for loop logs to the console. Can't even see me, can you? Boom. Alright. For loops allow you to repeatedly run a block of code a certain number of times. This for loop logs to the console 10 times. For bar I equals 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus. Logs number 0 through 9. Normally, computer scientists start indexing. The computer should start indexing at 0, just the way that it is. Everything you know is a lie. The first part, for var I equals 0, is run once at the beginning of the loop. The variable I is used to track how many times the loop is run. The second part, I is less than 10, is checked at the beginning of every loop iteration before running the code inside the loop. If the statement is true, the code inside the loop is executed. If it is false, when the loop is complete, the statement I is less than 10 indicates that the loop will continue as long as I is less than 10. The final part, I plus plus, is executed at the end of every loop. This increases the variable I by 1 after each loop. Once I reaches 10, the loop will exit. The challenge: create a file named for loop, for-loop. In that file, define a variable named total and make it equal to 0. So let's just do this step by step. I believe we did not make the file. For loop. Okay. Var. We wanted to create a variable named total and set it equal to 10. And then create a for loop starting at I, with I starting at 0, increasing by 1 through each time. The loop should run as long as I is less than the limit. On this iteration of the loop, you should add the number I to the total variable. To do this, you can use this, total plus equals I. After the for loop, use console.log to print the total variable to the terminal. Check to see if your program is correct by running this command, javascripting verify for-loop.js. To print these instructions again, yada yada yada. Okay. Total set to 0, and then make an I loop, for loop. Make an I loop. For var equals 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus. And then we'll do total plus equals I. And then we'll console.log total for the answer. Save it. We can run it. Node for loop.js. And we get 45. Well, we can also console.log I, so you guys can kind of see how it's increasing. Make sure I'm not doing any mistakes. Yep, we're getting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we could probably console log total too as it's going. Let's do some spaces or some, something to kind of separate out what we're seeing in the console, because it'll just all look like white stuff and it'll be hard to tell the difference. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. And you don't want to just console things in JavaScript. Computers don't like that. Okay, so we're getting 0 for I, and then we're getting 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, and then we're getting, yeah, we can just kind of see it increment as we go through the different numbers. It's probably making it more confusing than it needs to be, but I just wanted to see. Alright, JavaScript and verify. You know what? We're going to need to get rid of all of this stuff before we can even alright. Yep. Get the correct answer. Now let's see how it's doing. The total is 45. Boom. So, pretty simple. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you in the next video.